Immerse in the magic of the season as we embark on a festive journey around the globe. Discover the unique Christmas traditions that bring warmth and joy to homes far and wide. From delectable holiday treats to twinkling decorations, melodic carols, and lively dances, experience the rich tapestry of global celebrations that color the world every December. Did you know that in Sweden, a giant straw goat is erected in the town square? While in Japan, a Christmas feast might just mean a bucket of fried chicken? Intriguing, isn't it? Each tradition a story in itself, woven into the fabric of cultures and passed down generations. So join us as we unwrap these festive delights one by one, unveiling the spirit of Christmas in its many beautiful forms. If you've enjoyed this journey, show your appreciation by hitting the like button, dropping a comment about your own holiday traditions, and subscribing to our channel. Bring in the festive cheer and stay tuned for more fascinating insights from around the world.